Good morning, good morning, good morning. A few days ago, I braided and banded my hair, and after I shampooed it, I put pipe cleaners on the braids. Then I took the pipe cleaners out. I didn't particularly like that look, but I wore it for a day. And then I have worn my hair after taking the braids out for 2 days now. This is my third day with those curls, and I wanted to come in and show you what it looks like. You know, I think I'm gonna leave this right here going back because I like that look as well. I've been loving the way these curls hang. I like this shorter look and even what it does to the gray, and that my gray seem to be framing my face. I really like this, and just wanted to come in and let you see the progress of these curls and see how long I can wear it. This is certainly not like the pipe cleaner curls on my loose Sisterlocks. I really like it. I like it a lot. I really like it a lot. And I wanted to thank my subscribers, my new subscribers, as well as my hang in there with me subscribers, for your support. I love waking up in the morning to your comments, and it just gives me a boost for my day. I just wanted to come in and show you this. Have a great day. Good morning, good morning. I keep trying to layer my jewelry, and so this is what I'm going to do today. This is just a simple chain. This is a chain with a little bit more, whatever you may call this. So this is what I'm going to do today with these earrings. That's a little bit sparkly. I like it. I hope everyone is doing well today. I just want to say thank you to my subscribers for your continued support in helping my channel to grow. Please keep sharing the video, liking the video, and especially commenting on my video, because I love the interaction. And if you hadn't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting on? It costs you nothing. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell so that you will know whenever I upload a video. This is my 4th day of taking out those pipe cleaner braids. 4th day of taking out the pipe cleaner braids. And I'm still loving this hair. I'm loving it. I'm loving the way it drops. Just what happens each morning when I take it out. I have not sprayed my hair with water since I did the pipe cleaner braids. I've been wearing this cap that is lined and it's all stretched out of whack. That's why I'm wearing it, really. But the lining keeps in some moisture, I think, in my hair. It keeps my hair feeling like it's not completely dried out. It just feels good. I'm going to go ahead and pull my finger through a little bit today. Just loosening up those ends a little. And then I'm going to run on out to Walmart quickly and get back in my house. There we go. I think there we go. I'm going to look at it in the back, see what it looks like. It still reminds me of one of those styles where the loose naturals or anybody might do a crochet style in their hair. I like it. I think I'm gonna wear this a few more days, just seeing how it will drop. Today is Tuesday. Yeah, today is Tuesday. And I took the braids out on Saturday. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, this is my 4th day, and I'm still going with it, and I'm still loving it. I want you to have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day.